Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best way to integrate Bluevine banking on Lendio. The best way to do this is to connect your business accounts so that cash flow and funding activities are visible in one place. Now, this integration allows balances and transactions to synchronize automatically, which of course reduces the need for manual tracking and frequent reconciliations. With Bluevine connected, businesses can monitor income deposits, outgoing payments, and of course available funds all in real time. This clarity supports better budgeting, smarter spending decisions, and more accurate cash flow planning. It also simplifies financial reviews for ensuring banking data aligns with funding insights within Lendio. By integrating Bluevine with Lendio, business owners gain a more complete view of their finances. This connection helps to maintain control, to improve financial organization, and of course to make it easier to manage daily operations while planning confidently for growth. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.